In everyone's life, failure is a part, and my seniors, management, everyone told me that I am a topper in the college and then failed just by 2 marks. Don't prove that I can't do anything. I am Anshita Khanna and I am an SY student of IBCom. I am from MP, basically from Piparia. It's a very small town. Till 10th, I did my 10th in Piparia, and after that I went Ratlam for 11th and 12th. From there I did commerce with maths, and accounts was the subject which I loved the most. That's why I chose to have my career in commerce. A list of Delhi universities were late because of lockdown, so I thought of filling some forms of Mumbai University. Then I got to know about this college, Nagendas College, and in that 2 courses were there. Actuarial science was also there, and IBCom with ACCA was also there. So I scrolled down, I chose this IBCom with ACCA. Journey was good. There was a phase in my life where I failed my ACCA exam with just 2 marks. That was the time I was very depressed, and I was on a verge of quitting this course. But then my seniors, they motivated me, they called me and they told that it is a part of everyone's life. My management, they told me to reappear for the exam. Failure is just a part of our life. We don't have to quit this. We have to fight back till the time we got the results. When I failed the exam, I was like, I can't do anything. Like, I can't be in a position, I am not in a position to do anything. So it's better not to do any of this and quit and go to government exams. When I heard that, yes, in everyone's life, failure is a part, and my seniors, management, everyone told me that I am a topper in the college and then failed just by 2 marks. Don't prove that I can't do anything. I want to be independent at a very early age. This is what I thought before, and what I can say is, yes, I am doing job in an online company, like online I am doing a job. I want to do job in KPMG. Learning with real life examples and with the practical knowledge if you are having, then you can learn everything, and not even learn, you can apply it in the practical world. If you are coming to take IBCom or ACCA, just be focused, and nothing is tough here. You don't have to think like I am not a good student, I am not a topper. Even the topper can fail, and even the one who is getting the lowest marks are getting the highest in the ACCA.